I have to give the first award to a young spinner who played the first time for Mumbai Indians, Vignesh. Getting the best bowlers award for Mumbai Indians. Well done. All the best. Well done. Well done.
Well, I want to thank my friend JC for giving me an opportunity to play the match. I never thought in my life I would play with these so great players. I'm really happy team that we could have won. Thanks so much, and especially our captain Surya was very supportive. That's why I never felt that much pressure. And thanks so much all my teammates for supporting me.